Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get a softer, more circular face shape. We will begin by identifying the key features associated with a rounder aesthetic. Next, I will guide you through easy makeup applications that can visually soften angles and add fullness. Then, we'll explore flattering hairstyles designed to enhance a gentle, rounded appearance. Finally, I will share some simple facial massage techniques that may contribute to a plumper, more youthful look. A circle face aesthetic generally refers to a facial shape characterized by soft, gentle curves rather than sharp angles. Often, the width and length of the face are quite similar, with the widest point usually at the cheekbones. This shape naturally conveys a sense of youthfulness, approachability, and warmth. Understanding these characteristics is the first step to either enhancing your natural roundness or creating the illusion of a softer, more circular appearance. To enhance a rounder appearance, focus on strategic makeup and hair choices. For makeup, apply blush directly to the apples of your cheeks, blending outwards to create a fuller, more youthful effect. Highlighting the center of your forehead and chin can also draw attention to the central part of your face. When it comes to hair, styles with soft waves or curls around the face or a gentle fringe can beautifully frame and soften your features, contributing to that desired circular look. A holistic approach can further support a soft, rounded facial aesthetic. Staying well hydrated is crucial for maintaining plump, healthy skin, which naturally contributes to a softer look. Incorporating gentle facial massages into your routine can improve circulation and promote a healthy glow. Remember, a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients also plays a significant role in overall skin vitality. Ultimately, embracing your unique features and natural beauty is the most important step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.